So here we are at 5 Cranley, and there's been a lot of progress. Come on in, let me show you. So these are lovely entry-level projects that you can jump into. So we're standing in one right now. Progress is happening, as you can see, and we're on the way to actually make this into a very lovely habitable space, and also a profitable one, because by the time we finish with this, there should be over £100,000 profit. So how excited are you today between 1 and 10?
Matt, definitely 10. It looks a total transformation.
Maul, how about you? How excited are you between 1 and 10?
I'll give it a 9. There's always margin for something extra, but 9, it's coming along really well, and I'm really pleased with the progress.
So Richard, how excited are you today between 1 and 10?
Yeah, phenomenally excited.
Have a look round and tell me what you think.
Yeah.
So how long have you been working on it now?
So the work, what you got to remember, you can always do works in a property faster. However, you got to remember that there's 3 things that you can achieve from property. One is you can have a fast timeline. Secondly, you can have quality. And thirdly is you can have a low price. But you'll never get all 3. So you focus on a minimum of 2. So what we're doing here isn't the fast timeline. We're looking at cost effective and quality. So something to keep in mind. And if you're doing that, you don't want lots of people working on your site. So today, for example, we've got 2 people on site that are working, and that's absolutely fine for a project like this. Also, when it comes to labor, you want to make sure that you pick the right type of labor. The labourer that is working here today will do the job of 2 men, because it's built like this. So, be aware of labour as well, because that can be a false economy. Let's have a look upstairs. So as you can notice, we have a blank canvas here right now. The walls are now in much better condition than they were. It's always interesting to get a view from usually the back window of the bedroom, because you can see so much around, and you can also look at what's been happening. So if you look out the window here, you can notice there's a number of new developments that have happened around here. You can notice 3 stories have gone up nearby. What the tree has done is the roots suck in, sucks the soil, sucks the liquid, which creates that subsidence, if you want to call it that, which has taken that away. So we're in the yard area right now, and as you can see, the tree stump has gone, and we're now excavating over here just to see what the condition of the foundations are. And to be fair, they look pretty good actually. So as we were discussing last time in our video, there's things that you can do which look drastic, but they're not actually that drastic. The rat's gone as well. It actually is a dead rat. Just mind the dead rat. I think you're just about stepping on it there. That's it. See, projects like this typically work in threes. So at one you make a good profit. At another one you make some profit, and the third one breaks even, which ain't a bad thing, by the way. So typically when you're doing projects like this, you want to average them over 3, because that's really what happens in real life. If you haven't joined our YouTube community, why not? Feel free to subscribe. You can do this right now. Smash that like button. Be sure to click on the bell icon to get the latest notification. And I'd love to hear your comments, so do comment below as well. And I'm doing videos like this, showing you real life projects so you can really upskill and do projects like this. So if you look at the lintels up there, they're the old wooden ones. Yeah. So we've got to put in new lintels. So these are concrete lintels. And these are going to be replacing the old wooden lintels. To make sure the structure is sound. So today we've seen an update of what's happening in this property here. So comments.
It's been a transformation. The rooms look so big, and back to brick, plastered over, and it's done very professionally. Well impressed.
This gentleman is an auditor working in an accountancy firm, right? So how is this different for you?
Well, I suppose what we are seeing is practicalities instead of the figures. So it's actually real motion we are dealing with.
Interesting. And how about yourself? There's
Bit left to do. Keep up the good work.
Yeah. Okay. So progress, and we'll have another meeting. As the work goes on. probably when the first fixes are in place. So first fixes is the stuff that you can't see, like the wiring, like the plumbing, that once the work's done, you won't be able to see those pipe works anymore. That's usually a quick rule of thumb of understanding what first fixes are. Then we have the second fixes, so that'll be like the radiators, that'll be the sockets that go onto the walls, etc. So that is your second fixes. So that is what you will be able to see after the work has been done.